Hi guys, it's Primrose and welcome back. So I have this um, section here which I have forgotten to include in my houseplant tour, and it's in the landing area, and we have a very good lighting here. And so this is a southern exposure, so it gets a really good amount of direct sunlight in the morning. And I have a few plants here. So this is the Kalanchoe Madagascar from the large mother plant that I have in my living room. And then back there is those are the cuttings of aloe plant from Greece, from August Dreamland. And then here I have a large spotted aloe, and it's currently in flower. And it's got a lot of pops. And next to it is a very large cymbidium orchid, which is just too huge for my space, but I do not want to get rid of this because this was a gift from my husband last year, and it's a very beautiful bloomer, especially when it produces multiple spikes. And then back there, so this is I think variety of echeveria, and it's growing really big. I love the icy blue color, and it's got a tinge of pink at the edges of the leaves. And then here, so these are the cuttings from my money plant that I'm trying to turn into a bonsai, a little bonsai tree. I think this is a variety of a hardy sedum that can stand a really cold temperature outside, and it's currently in bloom. So I'm waiting for it to reveal the color. Yeah, so a very small section here, and yeah, so those are the additional plants that I forgot to include in my houseplant tour this summer. So thank you so much for watching, and take care. Have a nice day. Bye.